420 grams of red balls are mixed with 790 grams of blue balls. The mixture is packed in 11 equal packets. How many grams of mixture are there in each packet? Quite simple. 420 grams of red balls packed with 790 grams of blue balls. So the total of this will be 420 plus 790. If you add them, you get 1210. This is the addition shown. So you get 1210 as a total. Now these 1210 are packed in 11 packets. So 1210 divided by 11. 11 ones are and 11 11s are 121. So 11 and this 0 comes over here. Now we must be fast in our calculations because we are in IMO. Again I repeat, we must learn the tables up to 20 by heart. We have a separate video for tables up to 20. Kindly read those tables along with that video on a daily basis. Let's move on to the next. Answer for this is D.